Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Well, the time has finally arrived because guess what? MHD is finally on the Apple iOS platform. Finally. It's been on Android, obviously that's where it first started from. And I know a lot of you have Android tablets, of course, me being myself. My setup's a little bit different as far as, what I use. So I use the JB4 with the back-end flash, but I have the Connect kit. So I've been Bluetooth, and using the app on my Apple device since 2016. But I know a lot of you guys are really diehard, MHD fans of stuff like that as far as, data logging on MHD, which I know a lot of you guys already have. So if you have an Apple product, now is your chance. It is available now. Go ahead and download it, do everything that you need. So of course, I'm sure a lot of the viewers on this channel, you're gonna have the E-Series. You need to use the Wi-Fi adapter, of course, to connect from that perspective. But you can flash the, your map, of course, do the back-end flash, like what I have. So I have a back-end flash. If you have a JB4, so you can do that. If you have not done that already, check out my DIY above of how to do a back-end flash if you have a JB4. And then of course, if you want to go ahead and flash a custom, map, of course, so you can do that. You find a custom tuner, they send you a bin file, you load it on here, and then you just flash it to your car and you got a custom tune. Well guys, check it out, go to the Apple App Store and you guys will be good to go. I'm gonna finally enjoy some warm weather here in Ohio and check into you guys next time. Let me know if you have any questions down below. I'm more than happy to help. And as always, big thumbs up on the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thanks guys, I'll chat with you next time. Take care.